And welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can turn notification off on your Android phone. So at the start we have to open the settings, then go to the apps and notifications, look for the notification and choose it. Now just go to the first option and tap on this little arrow. Now just tap apps, turn it off. How you can see, we don't have any apps with turned off notifications, so you have to just open off all of the apps and switch it off for all of them. Or you can also try to turn on DND mode. Do not disturb. If you have this feature on your phone, just tap on it and any notification will disturb you anymore. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.